Hey guys, how's it going? In this video we have taken possession of this Corvette C3 and now we got to prep it for sale. So we got to give this car a really nice clean, bit of waxing, get those wheels up really shiny, clean the interior, and then hopefully we'll find someone to buy it. All right, so if you ever planning on washing a car, one little tip: remove any clothes with any zippers, buttons or anything like that. Put like really soft clothes on, because as you're washing the car you may accidentally scratch it. So that's a little tip: soft clothes and plenty of soap. Now let's get this thing started. Okay, I got my foam cannon. It's a cheapy one, so I don't know how much foam is going to come out of this, but we're going to give it a try. So first things first, we're going to give this car a bath in thick soapy foam, hopefully, and then we're going to rinse it off, and then the cleaning will commence. Let's go. Not as foamy as I was hoping for, but you'll be okay. Okay, we've given him a soak in some soapy, foamy sort of stuff, sort of. Now it's time to give him a little bit of a rinse off. Right, as you can see, on this part here, it's had a little bit of bump and the paint is cracked. So we don't want to go anywhere near that with this jet wash, because it could rip the paint off even more. So if you ever see any flaky paint or anything, don't jet wash it. Just rinse it off. Let's get the soapy water on it. This is a big bonnet to clean. Sometimes I feel like I get too old for this shit. Top half is done. Let's rinse them off and then we'll crack on with the bottom half. Let's lock and load. So he's washed, he's rinsed, now it's time to dry. Okay, before we move on to do the interior, going to take a little break and tell you a little bit more about this Corvette. This is a 1978 model, and it is actually a 25th anniversary edition, which is pretty cool. And they got some nice badges on the bonnet and on the back to let you know it's the anniversary model. It's got the 5.7 litre V8 engine, and it's an automatic. So this car is on Holland plates. It does have a brand new inspection, or ITV, whatever you want to call it, the equivalent in Holland, and that's been recently put on this and it passed. But as it's in Spain now, it probably needs another ITV, and it will need to be put onto Spanish plates. Hence, we're asking a bit lower on the price. So the asking price is 17,000 euros. So if you're interested in this Corvette, grab yourself a bargain. It's a nice classic car, V8 engine, and it sounds absolutely beautiful. If you aren't interested in this Corvette, you can find out more information on our website, costacartrader.com. There'll be a link in the description below, and you just go there and you can have a look and check out what other nice classic cars we have on offer. This car has been recently restored, so it's got a brand new paint job on it. It's got a load of upgrades, got an Edelbrock carburetor, and the brakes have been done and everything. So the previous owner has actually invested quite a bit of time and money in this car, and he runs perfect. Let's get back to the cleaning then. These switches here, can you see all that? Look at all that grime. How many years of dirt is in these window switches? Not very pleasant, is it? That could be people's boogies. They could be playing with their balls and then through the windows. Who knows what they've done in this car? Clean all these little areas here and get all this years and years of dead skin and boogies out of this car.
You feel the vibe. Where the love is love, where the lovers lie. You look over and over and over and over and over again. You look over and over and over and over and over again.
So that's what it looked like before, and that's what it looks like now. Much better. Could even take it one step further and try and polish the chrome up a little bit, but I think that's good enough. Alrighty then, the interior is now clean. Done our best. This car is old. It's older than me actually, so you know you're going to see imperfections here and there, but I think we've done a good job getting this as clean as we can. Now let's take it for a little test drive. Alright Pete, let's get these T-tops out.
Let's do that. One simple move in these newer type T-tops. The old ones had the double switch. This is just a single one. Pop, pop.
Wow, that's pretty easy.
There goes the other one. Nice.
Awesome. Alright Pete, let's get him started up then. I want to hear this baby roar.
Yeah! We got the electric windows on this particular model. Cool.
Show me what this can do then.
Can do this for instance. It's got telescopic, so put that a bit personalized. I like it always so my arms are a little bit bent. how you like to drive, but also so you can see the meters, you know. Right, let's go, put it in drive. Well, Corvette's got no drive. It's got 1, 2 and 3. So we're normally going in 3 and let's go. It's got good power, good low end torque.
Yeah.
This 350 V8.
I love these T-tops.
I love it. That is my favorite. I prefer it over Cabrio, to be honest.
I don't know why they stopped making T-tops. They're so cool. Look at that ball there.
So good. Runs really, really smooth, you know. Starts straight up, and the idle running is amazing on this car. So the windscreen wipers, they come from hidden away. Look, work perfectly. But it's like, it's special.
Yeah, they're nice.
Look, up, and they disappear again. It's cool.
I like that. They
Really,
hide
really
under the
cool.
bonnet,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
so they're out the way.
The instruments is different than on my 73 like. All these meters are working here.
Yeah.
And electric windows, of course, this one.
It must have been awesome driving these things in the 80s.
Beautiful,
When this was
man.
brand new, isn't it?
Yeah, it was
Can you
like
imagine?
always a dream car, yeah.
It's like a lot of famous people had these things, didn't they?
A lot of them. But it goes, you know.
Oh yeah!
Like, you know.
Does it stop as well as it goes?
Yeah, it stops really well. But don't forget, this car had a full, you know, sort of tune-up, make it better kind of thing.
Yeah.
It was parked in a guy's garage, in a heated garage, for 15 years.
Wow, really?
And the guy did start it and all that, but didn't really drive it. So when I bought it, we put on a new carburetor, a new intake, new cylinder head covers, new air filter, new brake lines, new brake calipers. So a lot of new parts. And it runs absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
For a 45-year-old car, man. Runs great. And it goes, and the kick down. It's really good.
So whoever buys this, they ain't gonna have to touch it. They just buy it
Just
and they
drive
can
it
have,
and look good.
and they can have fun with this from day one.
Drive it and look good. Win some prizes in car shows.
Yeah.
That kind of stuff.
Awesome. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give us a little thumbs up. Maybe a little comment down below as well, perhaps, telling us what you think of this Corvette. And if you are interested, then click the link in the description and find out more information about this car and how to contact us. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.